Hi, I'm Ares with Mobino Solar Solution, and today we're in Apex, North Carolina, installing a special order Zula ventilation system. As you can see, we're utilizing a large panel window in the garage door. This is a Wayne Dalton 9100 Sonoma garage door, and we're going to utilize the special order of a Zula system using 5 fans. As you can see, we have 3 fans that are going to blow air into the garage and 1 outside of the garage, again focusing on air circulation in there. We got the net over here to protect from any insects coming in and out while the system is maybe not working at night, so we have that protection in there itself. So as you can see, this is the other side that will be covered from the outside of the garage by the solar panel, and this is all we'll see from the inside. So I have a few tools over here with me, some set of screws, set of pliers, screwdriver. We got the on-off switch that we're going to connect into the system itself. We brought a drill just to take off the window, the glass window in there. And we're going to go through the installation steps. So we're going to have 2 units over here on the far end of the garage to make sure we capture the maximum light that's coming in, and also from an air circulation throughout the garage over here. The system that you see over here produces 870 CFM per unit. So we have a total of over 1700 CFM in the garage that's going to create the air circulation. Just as a comparison, leaf blower produces between 400 to 700 CFM. So we should have some quiet circulation over here. And today we're just looking right now, we're at 82 Fahrenheit degrees with 44% humidity inside the garage. So we'll measure it later on in a few days, but for right now, follow us through this installation.